after Germany, we always go to Turkey.
There is a tradition in Turkey.
In Germany, they unite. There's so much Turkish influence in Germany these days, and many Turkish Ahmadis are in Germany. So it's quite a natural connection between the two now. Understand?
There is a tradition in Turkey that those who are younger kiss the hands of their elders. A wife kisses her husband's hand. Is that according to the teaching of Islam? A brother asked from Germany.
They do it in private or in public?
No, in public.
In public?
Yes.
That's wrong. They shouldn't have done it. If they are true followers of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his traditions, they shouldn't have done it.
Even the mullah does this. Even the mullah are doing this.
The mullahs are not following any tradition. They follow themselves, or the people, in fact. Got it? Right. Do you find this practice among the Arabs as well?
No.
No. See? This is especially Turkish tradition. It has nothing to do with the Islam of the time of the Rasulullah sallam or the Islam of the present time as well in Arabia.